This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video we will learn formatting cells. So basically there are two types of formatting. One is called the number formatting, the other one is called the conditional formatting. So first we will learn number formatting. For number formatting we can see as we have a table of sales figures of different columns like months, rice, maize, oats, wheats, and their totals. For applying number formatting, we can select any field like this one. I have selected the cell C6 and I will right click on it and go to the format cells option, and from here you can see that the number can be selected. Like if here I want to see the decimal places, I can always change it up to like this way. Like if I want 3 decimal places, I can click this option plus OK button and it can show me the value with up to 3 decimal places. And if I want to remove it, then you can again go to the format cells and just unselect all the decimal options. So one is the number option from the format cells, and the other one is the currency option. Like if I want to show the dollar sign, I can always select this way, and I can also change the different currency symbols. Like if I want to show the Japanese yen, then I can always select this one. And if I want to select the other symbol of the other country currency symbol, you can select it from here. Like there are many options are available in the list. Like if I want to change it from the like this one, the Welsh, Scottish, or the Welsh, then I can always change it from here. So if I want to change it, and I can always change it and select the none, then there will be no currency symbol will appear on the screen. And now if here I put a date like this way, and if I want to change it the format, I can right click and go to the format cells. From here I can change different date formatting with the help of this way. There are multiple options. It's up to you that which one you want to add and select. So here in this case I always like to choose this format. So this is how you can select and change the date formatting in your data. And now we will discuss the conditional formatting. And for conditional formatting, we have this tab. In the styles tab, you can go to the conditional formatting options, and like if I select all these cells and I want to apply the this rule like greater than, and I select that format cells that are greater than. So I would like to see the values which are greater than 600. So I will select this and I will press the OK button. You can also change the colors of your own choice. Like if you just want the values with the red border, you can always select it. Here I will select this green fill with dark green text, and so viewers, you can see that it can always gives you the value which are greater than 500. And if I want to apply different rule, like I want to see the value which are lesser than 500 but with a different color, then I can select the format cell that are lesser than 500 and will select the color light red with the dark red text. So here you can see that different cells have different conditional formatting. Likewise, if you want to see the different commodities, like I have different commodities in this table like rice, maize, oats, and wheats, so I can give a different colors to different cells. Like I can give this column a different color and can give different colors, and will give different colors to different to weight, and we'll give different color to the total format. Likewise, if you want to see some values, like there's multiple values in multiple cells, and if I want to apply this rule, like it has equal to text contains. So here, if I want to see that there are some cells which contains 5 in them, and I want to give a different color to that, like if I want to give a yellow color filled with a dark yellow text for the values which have the number 5, then it can always give you a different color. So there are multiple options. You can use conditional formatting for applying a different criteria, like you can give a different color to the values that are greater than to some value, like lesser than, between, and text contains, a date occurring, duplicate values. This is very helpful, like duplicate values. If you want to see that if some here, if I give a duplicate value in this weight column, like I repeat the value 889 right over here, then I want to see that which value is repeating. So I can go to the conditional formatting and go to the highlight cell rules and go to the duplicate values option. From here I will select the duplicate and will give a different color, like custom format. Will give a strike through and will give a bold to that value. So viewers, you can see that it gives me the values which are repeating in this column, which is the value 889. So these number formatting and conditional formattings are very helpful in presenting your data. For if you want to have the comparisons, like some relational operations you want to perform to check the values are either greater than to some value, or lesser than, or equal to, or that contains some specific text. So it's very helpful, and that's all, and thanks for watching.